Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I did a giveaway at the beginning of January for $15 gift cards to the company WISKF, and they are beautiful bags. Beautiful bags. I can show you a couple right here. Here's one. Bags for you just to fold up, throw in your car, throw in your purse, and carry with you when you need to grab some groceries or go to the farmer's market. And they have cosmetic bags. How cute is that? Absolutely adorable. They even have this big bag. With your $15 gift card, you can get this bag. This is $12.99, this bag. And look at how big it is. It comes with that cute little ribbon on it. It's wide. It's a flat bottom. Great bag. These bags are just beautiful, y'all. And I picked 5 winners because WISKF chose me to give y'all 5 gift cards to their website, and only 2 responded, y'all. So I am going to pick 2 more. And I mean, look at how, anything you like. I like the flag. I like cardinals. I like garden. I like cats. Let's see if I have a cat one in here. I do. Right off the top, though, I can't find it. Oh, they have aprons. They have this beautiful apron I have. I'm not going to open it all the way up right now. I have some cat bags. Don't know where they are at the moment. Is that a cat? No, this is a sloth. This one's a sloth. Isn't that cute? They're super cute. They're printed the same on the other side. They're a linen. Really nice bag. For, like I said, just fold it up, throw it in your bag, and then you have it when you need to get something. A lot of places don't give you bags anymore because of the environment, so this is great for the environment. So let's pick 3 new winners, okay? I told y'all I'd keep my names. So this is an old test tube that I have from Test Tube Beauty, and I still have the names of the people that did not win are in here. So I'm going to shake this up real good, and I'm going to pick 3 names. And today is Wednesday, and y'all, I need to hear from you within 48 hours because they're waiting for your email address. That's what I need to hear. You need to contact me, Mary Catherine Loves Cats at yahoo.com. That's my email. Or DM me on Instagram, Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Just the same as my name is here. And they need your email address so that they can send you the gift certificate, okay? So send me that, okay? And let's see, I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna pull a name out of there. I'm trying, it's sort of hard to do by yourself and not, I feel like I'm cheating, I'm like, I wanna look in there. Smudge is sitting over there. Smudge, you wanna pick for me? And also just to get 1, because see, I feel like I've grabbed 2. Hang on, I'm trying just to get 1 in my hand. Okay, I think I got 1. All right, here it is. Oops, dropping this bag over here. Oh, Deb Richter. Deb Richter, you are winner number 1. So get in touch with me, Deb. I know I have your address, Deb, but I don't need your address. They need your email. Okay, all right. The bags are falling over, y'all. They're really nice bags. And they sent me a bunch this last time, and I did not have to, and I didn't give any of those away, but they will. I do have a bunch. I have more than I need, so you'll be seeing them in future giveaways, some of them. And then I've given several away already in the past. So, okay, we'll try again. Let me try right-handed this time. Okay, let's see. Smudge is sitting over there. I was hoping he'd come over and stick his nose in here. Okay, I've got 1. Here we go. It is, Sharice's Pieces. Okay. And the last one. Let me shake it up real good. So y'all, please congratulate the winners below. And go check out WISKF. Check out their website. Because even if you don't win, the prices are wonderful. They're very, very reasonable. These bags start at $5.99. The cosmetic bags, I think were $4.99 or $5.99. And they're just, I'll put the video below of what I showed. It's padded. And it's lined, and it has a nice, easy zipper, and it has that, what you hold on when you pull your zipper and everything. Nice, easy zipper. Very nice cosmetic bags. Okay, I'm trying to move them around a little bit. Okay, and let's just grab one again. I think I have one. Okay. Oh, isn't that funny? Mary Ellen Richter. So the Richter ladies win. Okay. So Miss Mary Ellen is the mother of Deb. So I'm so excited for y'all. Okay, and then we have Deb Richter, Mary Ellen Richter, and Sharice's pieces. So now I do have contact information for the Richter ladies. Sharice, I'm not sure that I have your contact information, so please get back with me, because that's what's happened is out of the 5 that won last time, I didn't have contact information for 3 of y'all, and that's part of the problem. If I have your contact information, I would have gotten in touch with you and let you know you won. Some of y'all commented, one of you commented on another video, and I said, go watch this video, and that person never did. So anyway, I'm going to keep these again, just in case we have any trouble, okay? And y'all, thanks for stopping by and watching this video, and have a good evening, and talk to you soon. Take care and count your blessings. Bye.